Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this amazing portable heater that I just got. I'm super excited because it is getting cold and crispy outside and inside my... So for somebody like me who works up in my garage in a small little office, this is perfect. I can actually put this right next to my desk, right at my feet, right pointing towards my face, whatever it is that I want. And I can feel that instant warmth. It's also relaxing, feels great, gives you that serene kind of soothing feel as well, which is really nice, but great so I don't have to jack up the thermostat just to get the garage up to heat and waste a ton of money for things like that. So this also, if it ever did overheat, it has a safety shutoff. You can use this as a fan as well. I care more about the heating, that's why I didn't really talk about the fan part as much. And it is a 1500 watt safe ceramic heating element. Yeah, and I got it in the black. It comes in a couple other colors, depending on your vibe and your aesthetic. I just wanted it in black just to keep things simple. And just for reference, like here's my hand next to it. It's nice, small, lightweight. You know, I can pick it up with one hand, no big deal type of thing. House. And with the rising cost of heating and everything like that, I'm really excited to have this, especially as somebody who works in a little office in my home, in my garage. This is perfect for me, this portable heater. It gives just the right amount of heat without being loud or annoying, and it is safe too. If you accidentally left this on, you're not worrying about having this crazy heating element or something like that around you. So with this, you can turn the heat up and down and the intensity as well. So I'm just going to put on the highest intensity, and you'll hear it start going. And if you could feel this right now, it feels absolutely amazing. As you can tell by my nails right now, it is almost Halloween here in New England, which it is getting really cold, like I said.